Hello, my friend. How are you? I'm Shashidhar CN from shashidharcn.com. Napoleon Hill's masterpiece, Think and Grow Rich, has influenced and inspired more men and women to achieve their dreams than any other book of its kind. And it is easily the best seller of a book of all time. In this episode 1, that is 3 feet from goal, we explore one of the key reasons for failure, which is giving up too soon. Do subscribe, like, and share my podcast. One of the key reasons for failure is that we quit and we give up too soon. Mr. Hill, in the chapter 3 feet away from goal, in his masterpiece of a book, Think and Grow Rich, talks about a certain acquaintance, Mr. Darby, who is in his quest for mining gold during the gold rush in America, stopped short of 3 feet away from a rich vein of gold and sold the machinery to a scrap dealer. That scrap dealer was a smart chap, and he took expert advice and prospected further and mined out huge deposits of gold. Mr. Darby realized his mistake and understood that desire can be transmuted into gold. He then went on to become one of the highest selling insurance agents in America during his time. Mr. Hill explains that before we meet success, we need to deal with temporary failures, setbacks, and bounce backs. The easiest thing to do when one encounters failure is to quit. This is what the majority of the people do. They quit early and too easily. Haven't you heard of the saying, the tough get going when the going gets tough? Hill explains that most of the successful people he interviewed for his book told him that success came to them after the point where defeat had overtaken them. They just persevered. Hill says that failure is a trickster with a keen sense of irony and cunning. It takes great delight in tripping a person when success is within his reach. Do you agree? Like and comment. And let's have an enriching conversation on this topic, which troubles all entrepreneurs. I invite you to a free masterclass with my friend and mentor, Vic Strazius, on how to build a dream business online in 30 days and earn up to $1,000 per month. Sounds interesting? Click this link below to watch this life-changing masterclass now. Thank you and see you on the other side. Bye.